October 19th, 2020, vocabulary. All right, so our vocabulary word today is variable. The variable, so I gave you the definition. The definition is a symbol standing in for an unknown numerical value in an equation. For example, a variable is just a letter. So it could be X, Y, A, B, H, Z, Q. It could be any letter. And it just represents an unknown number. So in this case, this variable is X for this example. We have X and then plus 9. Well, those two are not variables because 9 is a number. The plus is an addition sign, our addition symbol. But a variable is just a letter. So an antonym or the opposite of a variable would be, well, instead of a letter, a number. For example, 5, I don't know, 9, 543. Any number like that is not a variable because a variable is going to be a letter that represents a number, but we don't know that number yet. So a number is an opposite of a variable. So let's take a look at your own example. So our own example, you can either insert a picture, you can type. So what is a variable? Well, my variable, my own example of a variable, since the first letter of my name is H, I'm going to put H as an example. Typically variables will be lowercase. So typically they'll be lowercase. My sister's name starts with a G. And then my other sister's name starts with an M. So I'll do those three. You can do any letters you want to do. If you want, you can do an example like this. You can insert an image. Anything will be fine. So that's what a variable is. It's a letter. Great job.